Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm with Lucy, obviously. Hello. And today I'm gonna be like, as you can see by the thing, thumbnail, that I'm gonna be playing with the ball launcher. It does come with the ball. I just got it from a corner shop. Don't know where. We're gonna get it and play fetch with it. You ready? Lucy! She actually gave me a heart attack. We're gonna play fetch. We're gonna play fetch. Got a ball. Let's go. We got the ball. Lucy? Now you decide to sit. Just take the ball. I don't really care. She normally doesn't do this. It's really cool that you could just place the ball like this and then just grab it. Like it's come on, you see? Okay, she decides to sit, so I sit with her. Looking, Lucy. What's really nice about Lucy that she's so cute. You're disgusting. She wants to. What are you doing? I'm gonna try to steal a ball. Mine. What happened now? Oh my god, a bird. Hello. If it goes in Lucy's house, that bird's dead. Come on. What the hell is that bird doing? I'm gonna zoom. It's in. Oh my god, it's actually in. So guys, this is what I see. A bird comes into Lucy's room, gets something from the wall. They get this, I'm coming, and it flies away. Basically, the bird was trying to be a thief. Like, why? She does this every single time whenever I hold this thing. It's weird. But, let's throw it. Good girl. That's such a smart girl. I love you. Wow, run away. I really like this thing. It actually works a lot. Like, all you need to do, there's a handle here. Then just throw it. It's that simple. And then your dog comes and gets it, snatches it. Now she just stays there. Don't run away. Not be a rabbit. Understand? Good girl. Man, got it. No! So, to my Lucy, what are you doing up there? What you doing? Thank you everyone for watching. Don't worry, tomorrow I'll make a morning routine video.